Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade these from your Tahoe, Escalade, or Yukon if you have the basic ones to the ones with the directional and with the puddle light. Also, these are also motorized, so they open and close. In my case, I have a PPV, as you can see, and I went ahead and changed these out. So what you're gonna need for sure is these door modules. You're gonna need for the front driver and the passenger for these to work correctly. In my case, I got these from a junkyard, about 25 bucks a piece, I believe. And the side mirrors as well. I got those at the junkyard from the same vehicle. So if you're thinking about doing this, from what I read on forums is make sure you get these from the same vehicle, and perhaps even these side mirrors as well. There is a chance where they may not work correctly if you're getting these from a Escalade and those from a Tahoe, for example. But it's pretty much your discretion. See what you want to do. So in my case, when I ran this harness, I connected it. The open and close switch does work. What doesn't work is the directional light and the puddle light. So what I had to do is run a wire and figure out which one's which. So here in this harness, you can see this white one. It has an orange stripe. It has two of them. You see the top one in the middle and the bottom one at the bottom left. So on my cable that's it has a black and a red, I ran the positive to the middle one at the top and the negative to the bottom left. So once I ran that, I'm running it through the door, and then eventually I'm gonna tie it into these lights right here, as you can see. But for now, I'll just show you guys with it turned on. There you go. Also, I'm using a Milwaukee battery, and I put an amp, or not an amp, a fuse, and I got alligator clips on them. So I recommend doing this, and then do something high like 30. And let's see. So basically, yeah, this is the wire for the left side of the door. You're gonna need to do the same for the right side. Run the wire and find a way to tie it to these lights here. So that one's simple. On both harnesses, they're the same wire. So that one's pretty simple. Let me just turn this off. For the directional lights, that is different. So on this harness, with these lights, it's gonna be, let me move all these cables away, or maybe you can see these. Let's see. So that baby blue, it's a baby blue and a white stripe. Yeah. This baby blue and white stripe will be your positive, and this black and white will be your negative. So what I have to do here is run this cable all the way through the inside and tie it to my harness here. So on this harness, these are the cables that are coming out. Where you're gonna tie it to is the black middle top one. There's the middle one. So, or there's four. So there's yellow, black, green, blue. So you tie your black to the top one, and then your power one, you're gonna find this other cable. It's kind of like a grayish light color. That's the one you're gonna tie it to. So got my cable, negative, positive. Come back here. Let me turn on my vehicle halfway. And there you go. Now it's working. Turn it off. You're good. emergency lights. You can see there and there. So for that directional light on this harness, it's going to be the light blue one. This light blue cable on the black one. So these two, I can't even show you right. The white and black are coming from the side mirror. The white one is both oranges. Remember, your top is your positive, bottom is negative. And then on your black one, it's going to be your baby blue with white stripe for your positive, and your black and white stripe for your negative for the directional lights. Let me show you the other side. On this one, the same one for the puddle lights. The difference on this one is it has less cables on this black harness. So your positive will be this turquoise blue cable on the far right, and this black and white stripe on the far right. So your negative for the black, positive for this blue color. And again, on this one, it was different for me. After you run it, let's see. So looking forward straight, you will tie your positive one to this blue one at the top left, and then your negative one to the top one right here. So on the passenger side, top blue, bottom left blue, and then this black one. On the driver's side, it's different. Driver's side for the power, you're using this light gray one. On the passenger, it's a blue. Just remember that. I have to keep splicing and figure that out. But I got that figured out.